Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Have you ever heard about airdrops in the cryptocurrency world? Perhaps you've heard about the term before, but not quite sure what it means. Airdrop is quite a fascinating concept, and I will break it down for you right in this video. An airdrop is the distribution of free cryptocurrency tokens to the wallet of certain users as part of marketing campaign or project launch. These tokens could either be an existing token or new project in the cryptocurrency world. Most companies or projects often conduct airdrops to raise awareness, reward loyal users, or create a community around their cryptocurrency token. At this point, the question running through your mind is, how do they decide who gets these free tokens? Great question. There are few reasons why cryptocurrency projects conduct airdrop. Which one of them could be? Community building. Airdrops help create a strong and engaged user base. When users receive free tokens, they are most likely to become active participants in the project community. Marketing. Airdrop generate and also boost and attract attention to the project, especially in the early stages. Airdrops serve as incentives for users to hold on to the cryptocurrency or engage with the platform. That makes sense, right? Sure. Now you want to ask the second question. How do I participate in an airdrop? And what do I need to do? To participate in an airdrop, you will typically need a compatible wallet for the specific cryptocurrency, either a hardware wallet, software wallet, or an exchange wallet. It is also very essential to research the project and its official channels, like their websites, social media, or forums to find out their upcoming airdrop. Once you find an airdrop you are interested in, you will need to follow the project's instruction for participation. Some airdrop require you to register your wallet or provide some information. In some cases, project may ask you to perform specific tasks like sharing their content on social media or joining their community groups. After completing the task, you might need to verify your identity to prevent fraud. On the specified date, eligible participants will receive the free tokens directly in their wallet. I know that sounds so exciting, right? The last question you may possibly want to ask is, are there any risks or things to watch out for? Absolutely. While airdrops can be a great opportunity, there are some risks to consider as well. Some of these risks are scam. There are too many projects in the crypto space, and scammers are working effortlessly to impersonate most of these projects. Be cautious of phishing attempts and scams. Avoid clicking on random airdrop links you see online. Always use official channels and verify the authenticity of the airdrop. Some airdrops may require more personal information than necessary. Be cautious about sharing sensitive data. Always do your due diligence. The value of airdrop tokens may fluctuate widely, so do not invest more than you can afford to lose. Airdrop is absolutely free. Any project demanding you to send any amount of coin to their wallet address to qualify for their airdrop is a scam. Always do research, thorough research, and beware of this risk before participating. I know you feel much more informed about airdrops now than you were before. Please give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button to stay updated on my channel as I continue to feed your knowledge with quality content. That will be all for this video. And if you have any topic you want me to talk about, kindly drop your comment below. I will be in the comment section. See you guys on my next video. Thank you.